Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT becomes so knowledgeable and skilled in understanding and generating text? It's all about the behind the scenes training process that ChatGPT goes through. ChatGPT's training is like school for AI. It learns from a huge amount of text data, which include books, articles, websites, and more. This data helps ChatGPT understand the patterns and structures of human language. ChatGPT learns from these texts. This data helps ChatGPT understand the patterns and the structure of human language. Just like students learn from textbook, ChatGPT learns from these texts. Imagine the training data as a big library. ChatGPT reads and studies all the books in this library to learn grammar, vocabulary, and even common expressions. It's like learning the rules of a language. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT does not just memorize the data word by word. It learns the relationship between words, how sentences are formed, and even the context in which words are used. It's like learning how words fit together to create meaningful sentences. The training process involves adjusting millions of tiny connections in a virtual brain called a neural network. This neural network helps ChatGPT understand and generate text just like how our brain processes language. And as ChatGPT trains on this data, it gets better and better at understanding and generating text. It can answer questions, give advice, tell stories, and more, all because of the knowledge it gained during training. It's like a language expert that has studied countless books and articles to be able to have a meaningful conversations with you.